For investors, it was a sight for sore eyes, the local share market finishing higher for a second day in a row. A promise by the US to lock in zero interest rates for 2 years gave the markets its adrenaline rush, but it came too late to repair the damage that's already been done to consumer confidence. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
After days of high anxiety, there's nothing like a vertical line moving in the right direction.
It's very good.
It came from Wall Street, which soared nearly 5%, the most in more than 2 years. Markets didn't get another round of money printing from the US Federal Reserve, but then celebrated its historic promise to keep interest rates at zero for the next 2 years.
They read the statement at first and they said, well, they didn't do anything. And then they looked at it a little more and said, well, maybe they threw us a bone.
That bone sustained share markets around the world, with Australia's ASX 200 index finishing more than 2.5% higher. But no matter where investors may be, the nagging questions remain.
What about the future?
I think,
The long-term players are really staying away until we see some form of stabilisation.
Stable or not, the markets aren't expected to race back.
This is going to be a many-year workout, so we shouldn't be surprised that, that as we progress down the next few years, that there won't be more sorts of volatile situations.
As expected, the turmoil hit consumer confidence. Westpac's measure of consumer sentiment fell again in August to its lowest level since the height of the global financial crisis.
To have it falling again from such low levels is a worry.
The survey revealed consumers were very negative about the future. Westpac's not calling a recession, but it's sticking to its forecast cut in official interest rates by Christmas.
There are times at which rates can drift too high, and this is one of those.
I still think the next move in interest rates in Australia is up, but not for quite some time.
No matter what the world view, it all depends on whether Australians keep their jobs. Philip Lasker, ABC News.